Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make sweet hot pepper. And the ingredient we'll be using for this sweet pepper is we have tomatoes, we have this peppercorn, we have our onion, we have our garlics, we have our gingers, we have ginseng, we have some couples of ginseng, and we have the habanero pepper. The reason why I added tomato is to make it not to be over spicy. I want it in such a way that it will be sweet in the mouth and less spicy. And the pepper I'm about to do right now can be eaten with the eggs that you guys saw in my previous video. You can be eaten with the egg. That is what most of us Africans we like eating our boiled eggs with. So off without any further ado, let's not waste time and get to work. First thing, this is the pot I'll be using. This is what I'll be using. So I'll go ahead and wash my ingredients and put it in the pot. So I'm beginning with tomatoes. I will just slice it like this and put it in the pot. This type of pepper is not ordinary in such a way that the way I want to cook it, you shouldn't be afraid to cook it in your own home or to try this, especially in a house that has so many little children. Most people like pepper or pepper sauce. They don't want to cook it because they have little children and they are afraid that it might enter their nose or eyes. So with this way, if you try this my method, you will like it. You'll come back and testify. So the next thing, we'll be going in with our onion. Let me know in the comment section where are you guys watching me from. Small YouTube channel or small YouTube content creators like me. Put your handle down there. I will go ahead and encourage you guys. Please encourage me too. And let's gather together, encourage one another. The next thing is the habanero pepper. I will go in with the habanero peppers. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Please go ahead and subscribe. Comment what you like most about this recipe, and then let me know how you do yours. I'm just putting the ingredient I showed you guys earlier in the pot. I'm just washing them, and the next I'll go in with the ginseng. This is ginseng to give a little bit of good taste and flavor. It smells so nice. I'll go in with this peppercorn. The Nigerians call it the Uziza seed. Put a little bit of it. I have my garlics. Then the next thing is the ginger. I'm just going to chop into smaller pieces before putting it in the pot to help it cook faster. Like the video. And if you like to see more videos like this, I'll go ahead and put it in the pot. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to put it now on the fire. I'll put a little bit of water and put it on the fire. Look at it. Let's go and put it on the fire. Guys, this is the pepper on the fire. I'm going to turn on the stove and cover it. So I'll allow it to cook for about 30 minutes and I will come back. Let me know how you do yours. I'm doing it like this because I have a small child in the house and I don't want the pepper to enter his nostrils or start making him cough. In order to prevent that, I have to prepare everything, put it in the pot to cook. Guys, please comment and share. If you've been watching up to this moment, it means you love it. Comment, share. We'll be coming back in 30 minutes to check on the pot. Guys, look at how the pepper is bubbling or is boiling. Let's open and check. Guys, look how it's boiling. So it's not yet ready. We have to leave it, cook this until all the water is dried up. Guys, our pepper is ready, so we're going ahead to turn off the fire and blend it. So we're going to put it in our blender. This is our cup blender. So we're going to, guys, it's smelling so nice. So guys, it's blending time. We're going to blend it. So you have to close it very hot. You have to be careful because it's hot. And this is my blender. Guys, do you see that? It's blending. Look. So guys, I will take it out and I will pour it right here in my bowl. Guys, it smells so good. Look at it, guys. Look. So I'm going to pour the other one to blend it as well. Here, this is the remaining one. So what I'm going to do is I'll put in a little bit of seasoning to make sure that it's properly mixed while blending it. I'll put a little bit of salt as well. Use any type of color that you want. So close it. So the second one is ready, guys. So we need to put it in our bowl as well. And this is our right here. It's wanting to leave it to cool down, but because of demonstration, I'm just going to open it. So I'm going to put it right here. This is it, guys. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. And this is my vegetable oil. I'll add it right here to cook it. Guys, I'm trying to take out all the remaining pepper sauce from the machine. See guys, I'm trying to take it all. Nothing shall be wasted. Guys, look. So you have to mix it thoroughly, mix it well.
Look
and
at the color of the
sauce.
pepper mix. It can be eaten with the boiled eggs or roasted fish. Let me know how you do yours. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.